This is the Parallax proof of concept. We have 3 machines running Parallax. The first 2 are Pentium Ds, each have 2 cores, so in effect 2 dimes. Third machine is a dual core Celeron, also 2 dimes, so we have 6 dimes in total. This is our development machine and the orchestrator server. It is running Ubuntu Linux. If we take a look at the back, we have the 4 machines wired together with standard Ethernet. The machines are booting off of a compact flash card, which I've removed from the other 2. So we can see that right now there is no disk inside this server and no disk inside of this server as well. Parallax is able to run without a hard drive. We can still have one if we need it. So the first thing we'll do is we'll start up the orchestrator server. And we'll see right away that it was able to detect the 6 dimes on the network. We can see the individual speed and the memory available. And it is also doing the heartbeat check to make sure that those nodes are still available. So ahead of time, we've already taken the Hello World program that was written in assembler that just sends keystrokes either to the machine itself or to another destination on the network. This program has already been compiled and the binary is in the orchestrator's directory. So we'll refresh the orchestrator and we can see here that it has detected the 6 available dimes on the network. What we'll do is we will dispatch a program to 2 of the dimes. We'll pick node 2. We'll dispatch the Hello World program and we will start its execution. We will pick another node here, also the Hello World application, and we will start its runtime. You can see in the debug of the orchestrator that it's sending those commands, still doing the heartbeat check. So we can see that 2 of the dimes are now running the program. We can type the keystrokes, and currently it is just broadcasting this information out. Likewise on this machine here, it is also sending keystrokes and just broadcasting them out to the network. So what we'll do is we'll modify those program parameters on the fly, and we will get these 2 nodes set to talk to each other. So we will configure nodes to output, and we'll set it to a node address, and we'll set it to talk to node 3. Likewise, we'll set node 3 and set its output to the node address of node 2. So we've just adjusted those parameters on the fly. You can see the debug information within Parallax that it's been set to modify a parameter. And we can send a keystroke, and that keystroke is being sent over the network. Also, we can type on this keyboard over here, and that information is also being sent over the network now. So what we'll do is we will shut off the power to one of these nodes, so both dimes will be no longer available. And what we'll watch on the orchestrator is how that it detects that 2 of the dimes are no longer available. It will automatically find a available node, dispatch the program, dispatch the parameters. It will also take a look at the other dimes that are on the network and adjust the parameters as well if required. So we can see that the program is now running on the farm machine. We can type on its keyboard and it's still sending that to the proper destination. And this node here has been updated to say, instead of talking to the machine on the right, talk to the machine on the left now, as it's running the paired program. And that's being sent over the LAN as well. So we can see within Parallax, the orchestrator, that the two first nodes are down, and that program is running on node 6. We'll go ahead and power up this machine. And what we'll do is, after the machine is back up, we will actually manually send the heartbeat information to those two dimes and get them to register back again. So we can see Parallax is already booted back up. We will send the heartbeat. It resets that dime. And we'll reset this one as well. So these two machines, or rather these two dimes, had failed. We've resolved the hardware issue that it was having, and now it is available within the orchestrator. That is all for now.
I think it's time I told you something I should have told you a long time ago.
Okay.
The secret ingredient of my secret ingredient soup.
Oh.
Come here. The secret ingredient is nothing.
Huh?
You heard me. Nothing. There is no secret ingredient.
Wait. It's just plain old noodle soup? You don't add some kind of special sauce or something?
Don't have to. To make something special, you just have to believe it's special.
There is no secret ingredient. There is no secret ingredient.